welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Dee and this is How Dee Does It. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and then I'm going to do a super easy beginner friendly nail set. Alright, let's get into this box and see what we have. Yes, this is Glazed by C's Tutorial. This is a soft gel nail kit and it comes only in Stiletto at the moment. This launched in February. The kit comes with everything that you need to do your Gel-X nails at home. So it did come with a mini flash cure light, and then inside the kit itself, it came with the long stiletto tip, 600 pieces in 12 sizes. Also inside of the actual packing box, she did have one nail file, which I felt was thoughtful. The bottles that came inside are for prepping and then application. Bottle number 1, you had the dehydrator, and in number 2 is the primer. Number 3 is going to be the tip glue gel, and number 4 is going to be the top coat. These are full 15-ounce size bottles. So if you have sizes that are all different like I do, I can get about 25 sets of nails out of this. With tax, it came up to, we'll say, $43. So by purchasing this kit, I can do my nails at home for less than $2 a set. All right, so after you have all of your nail sizes selected, you're gonna want to etch the inside of them so that they would adhere and last longer. Then you're going to make sure that you do proper prep to your nail bed. I already did it and I've done it before in other videos if you want to go take a look at it. Then you're going to do the dehydrator followed by the primer. Since these nails were stiletto and had a little bit of an apex and I have very flat nail beds, I decided that I would do as she does in her videos. So I applied the gel to my nail, to my natural nail, also to the area where my natural nail would be on inside the false tip, and then I swipe extra around in that cuticle area. The next thing that I'm going to do is go in at like a 45-degree angle. It is not applied flat onto the nail, and then you slowly lower it down until the glue reaches the end of your natural nail bed, and then you go in and flash cure it. If you find that you didn't use enough glue and the gel is not extending all the way to the free edge of your natural nail, it's not a big deal. All you have to do is slide the nail off, apply more to the cuticle area, and then finish up with your application. The gel glue is like a medium viscosity, so it's not one that is going to hold it in place. So you do have to anchor the nail and hold it in place while you are flash curing. And then once you are finished with all 5 of your nails, you can go into the lamp for a 60-second full cure. I did forget to mention that when I flash cure, I only do it for about 3 to 5 seconds so that if there's any spillage around the cuticle area, I can scrape that off pretty easily because it's still kind of soft before I go into the lamp for the 60-second cure. I am just going to do a quick cleanup with the drill. I'm going to go around the cuticle area and buff all at the same time. Once I'm finished, I'm either going to go to wash my hands to remove all of the dust, or I'm going to use a brush and alcohol to clean my nails. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier in the video, but it only took about a week from the time that I ordered till the time that it arrived in my house. And usually everything comes snail mail. I live in Kentucky. But this was a super quick turnaround, so I was very pleased with that. I decided that I was going to wash my nails, so I did that off camera as well as applied the dehydrator. Now I'm going in with the primer so that my gel polish will have something to adhere to. The base coat and all the colors I'm using in today's video is from Madam Glam. The colors I'm going to be using today is Perfect White, Celestial Jungle. I'm going to use Kansas Sky as well as Fire Sign. I tried to go with bright summer neon looking colors. All right, I'm going to shut up now and let you listen to a little bit of music while I polish the nails. Just know that I do give 2 coats of polish to all the nails, even the white ones. And if there's any areas that I do mess up, I do go around with a cleanup brush and acetone to clean up the edges of the cuticle before I cure the nail. Y'all, I am just loving this fire sign. I already know I'm going to repeat this color a couple of times this summer. Don't be alarmed. So, step 4 is the top coat. So, I'm going to do that to all of the nails and I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. All right, so painting nails was easy. Applying the nails was easy. So, this part is going to be like the easiest of all of the steps. It's like if you had to put it in order of easy, it went from the first part of applying the nails to now. So I saw this on Annia's Nails. I'm going to pop it up here. This is really a free-for-all for whatever colors you want to do, whatever colors you want to be your base color. Just make sure that the gel polish does have a slightly tacky layer so that the chrome pigment can adhere to it. In her video, she used a brush to like just literally plop all of the pigment powder onto her nails. I only had small containers of pigment powder, so I didn't want to be super wasteful. Plus, I didn't want the colors to blend in too much whenever I went to wipe it away with the brush. I will say that the one thing that I did, and I can't recall if she did it in her video, I think she just put it up there and then just kind of swiped wherever she felt like swiping. Like I said, you do it however you want to do it. There's no rhyme or reason to it other than this is fun and it's an easy way to add nail art to your set. What I did was I pressed the colors in with the glove, just touching it, filling in any areas. I didn't really want to see any white or blank spaces. So I do go in and like dap into the chrome pigment and then dap on my nails. I even press my nail onto the cloth or dentist bib that my hand is laying on, just to make sure that all the areas had coverage. Y'all, we are almost to the end of the video, so I did want to do my public service announcement. If you're not subscribed to the channel, if you would be so kind as to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you'll know each and every time a new video is posted to the channel. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with a friend. Also, I did want to make a quick little announcement for those who looked at the video all the way through, because I'm not going to put it in the description box today. If you like the nail set and you want this nail set, DM me at howddoesit. The first 10 people who DM me, I am going to choose one person and you will get this set at no cost to you. All right, and the last thing that I did was just took the top coat and applied a generous layer to it. I did not apply a lot of pressure to this so not to contaminate the brush. Be sure to check out my reel so that you can see how the nails look the next day. But this is how this set turned out. I am in love. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.